Once done mixing the veggies and the sauce, it's time to saute our zucchini noodles and then top it off with veggie mixture and serve. You can simply make extra sauce if you prefer more saucier. Just double the recipe for the sauce. Avoid overcooking the broccolis and zucchini noodles. Keep it crunchy. Now, I hope you're inspired enough to try this tasty and healthy Mediterranean keto broccoli with zoodles and roasted red pepper sauce tonight for dinner. It's a perfect low carb option that's packed with flavor and nutrients. This dish proves that eating keto doesn't have to be bland and boring. Don't forget to check out the recipe ingredients below in the description, along with the links to some of the products I use in this recipe. And I would like to invite you to check out my other videos for more healthy and delicious recipes. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.